Have a photo you love? Let's turn it into something even more special. A beautiful watercolor painting. In the photo editor, click Open and choose your image to get started. Now let's add a watercolor effect. From the menu on the left, head to the Artsy tab and select Watercolor. You'll find a variety of effects to choose from, each with its own unique look. Click around to preview different styles in real time. For this project, we'll go with Watercolor GFX 3. If you like the effect as is, click the check mark, but we're going to fine-tune things a bit. Click on the settings icon to bring your own personal taste to this watercolor painting. The fidelity slider controls how closely the result resembles the original image. Higher values produce a more true-to-life watercolor effect. You can also explore different takes on the same image with the variation slider. Pick the one that feels just right. Once you've found your favorite combination, click Apply. When you're happy with the result, click Save. You can download your watercolor to print it yourself, or choose Print Products to have it professionally printed and shipped right to you. And just like that, you've created a watercolor painting from a photo. No brushes or mess required.